Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to drain Midea Duo portable air conditioner. In Midea portable air conditioner, draining water is basically the part nobody thinks about until the machine suddenly starts beeping like it's personally disappointed in you. I've dealt with this setup myself, and the unit usually has multiple drain points depending on the mode: dry mode, heating mode, and a main bottom drain for overflow situations. In dry mode, you typically remove the upper drain plug at the back and attach a provided hose so the water can flow out naturally using gravity into floor, drain, or container. For heating mode, the process is similar, but you must make sure the hose is properly connected and directed downward, because if it is angled wrong, nothing happens except confusion and a wet floor later. The most urgent situation is when the internal tray fills up and the unit shows a P1 error. At that point, basically pauses operations and forces you to drain the bottom tray manually. Once emptied and replugged, it resets and continues working normally. The key thing I've learned is the hose direction matters more than people expect. Gravity does all the work, so if the hose goes uphill even slightly, the whole system gives up. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.